Hello guys, today I want to show you something that I ordered online. Guys, I've been struggling like with the volume of adding volume of my videos. I've been struggling with the tripod, how to hold the camera when I'm recording, I've been really struggling so much. I remember even telling you in one of my videos, like, guys, I'm really struggling. I don't know even how to record. Sometimes when we plan to record a video, you have to, when it's a cleaning video, you have to hold it with one hand and the other hand to do cleaning. So I've been really struggling, and I ordered something online. So I want us to unbox this. This is what I ordered. So I want to see if these will help me, guys, with my content creation. I've been really like struggling so much. I've been really struggling. So this one and this one. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one is a tripod. Okay, so this one is a tripod. I hope sasa sitahangaika tena. All the stresses of struggling, like, where will I put my camera, is gone now. So this is it. I don't know what is this. We will find out. And yes. So this is it. I don't know. Sijui hata. Let us see how it. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'll mess up things. I don't know. Sijui mtu anafungua wapi. I don't know where I'm supposed to open. Also my phone. I think the phone should be where? Okay. I think this is where my phone should be. I don't know. Let me try and see if it can hold. Yeah, I figured it out. So that is it. It holds the phone. I think it's okay. It's adjustable. You can bend it like this. And it has this one, so you can use this one to tighten, I think so. Yes. I don't know. Okay, here it is. Here it is. So here it is, guys. So it's a simple camera. I did not want something like that. I did not want like a big tripod, See, I did not want something big, and something small, at least to hold the phone, to hold the camera, so that I will not like have hard time, you know. Yay. Mhm. So it's adjustable. It can go this way. I think I like it, guys. I do like it. So we are done with that one. So here we are with the microphone. It's the microphone. So here we go. This is how they look like. And I don't know how they are working, so we shall see and also try if you will see like there is difference, you know. Mhm. This is for type C phones here, and then we have this one. You can also put it like here. Okay, you can put it somewhere here when you are talking, you know. You can talk with it when it is here, or you can just put it down where your phone is. So it depends, and they are two. They are two, guys. They are two. So, and it has this one. I think this one is for charge, right? This one is for charging. It has this one here. You can use this one to charge. Yes. So let us try. Let us try if it can work with our phone. Um, we So I want us to try and see if it can. So I've already put that one on. So I don't know if there will be difference. Let me see. So guys, here we go. This is our microphone now, and I want you to tell me in the comment section below if you see if there is somehow like difference. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So guys, I'm so happy because I've been like struggling with the volume. You know, sometimes you people tells me like your volume is too low. Why are you whispering? I've been having a lot of questions like that. So I hope like today maybe this one will be sorted out like permanently. Yeah. So guys, let me know in the comment section below. Have you seen like there is somehow difference according to the volume? Okay. Also, guys, I've discovered. You see, this our tripod. It has like a small light here. So there is a button this side. So here it is. You see that's on top here, on top there. Uh, when you press that one, that part, let us press it and see. Uh, you see, it has a small a small light. Yeah, so that one it is. And here when the charge is done, you see there is a small place here, that one, that place to charge. So here's the plug. Here's the plug to use to charge somewhere here. I think here, yes, up here. Yes, so it's a type C charger. It's a type C charger. So that is how it is charging. So you can connect it to your plug. So that's it. And I want to figure out if it can get taller because this one is too short. I want to try and do that. Guys, let me show you before how I used to struggle like to set my camera before I start recording, okay? So here we go. So guys, yeah, so thank you so much for watching and see you in my next. Bye bye.